Careful.
It's all.
It's not gonna explode.
I don't know. Last time it's
Is
full.
it gonna explode or not?
Oh, there we go.
It's not gonna explode. It's just gonna look up.